Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. Brooke and Jess Designs have outdone themselves with this amazing tote bag. This is the Lulu tote, and on the front it has this really precious saying, "The influence of a good teacher can never be erased." I am really impressed with the quality of this bag. It is beautiful, well made, and has exceeded my expectations. My fellow organizers will appreciate the 15 pockets. It includes the main zipper compartment, a front sleeve deep pocket that you can put your tablet in. That has 3 mesh pockets on the inside of it. There are 2 extra tall side accessory pockets that I can put my tumbler in or other large items you might need. It also has a zippered pocket on the inside with 3 organizational pockets, a padded laptop sleeve with velcro closure, and then the back of it has 2 slash pockets, and on the outside of those you have zippers as well. My laptop is a full-size laptop and it fits in here with no problem. The handles are very comfortable and you have the option of the shoulder strap, which is nice to keep your hands free. I love this black and white stripes matched with the teal. It's so stylish and fun, yet there are other colors and styles to choose from. Also, side note, I'm 5'4" and I can hold this by the handle straight down and it does not drag on the floor at all. So whether you're a teacher or want to buy this as a gift for a teacher, I would highly recommend. It's the perfect tote bag and I can't say enough good things about it. And that's my point of view.